Children, welcome back to my channel. I am happy that many children are watching my video, and I would like you people to share and subscribe my channel so that it will be helpful to many students, those who are in need. Okay children, so today I will be doing surface area and volume of cylinder. Okay, so now the first question what we are going to deal here is related to the surface area, and the question is, a solid cylinder has the total surface area of 462 centimeters square. Its curved surface area is 1/3 of its total surface area. Find the radius and height of the cylinder. Here in this question, total surface area is given and the curved surface area is given as 1/3 of the total surface area. So whenever you have the surface area, what is required here is the radius and the height of the cylinder is very much required to find out the total surface area or curved surface area. In this case, already the total surface area is given. Now let's see how to solve this question. We don't know the radius as well as the height. When we are having two unknowns, this is how you have to solve. So here the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH, and here 1/3 of the total surface area of the cylinder, which is equal to 1/3 of 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Okay. So now this 2 pi R square RH, I'll just cross multiply here. So now here it will be 6 pi RH minus 2 pi RH is equal to 2 pi R square. So when you do like this, here you will get pi RH equals 2 pi R square. So when you see wherever it's possible for you to cancel, you can do the cancellation. Here you can cancel pi and pi, and R and R, 1 R you can cancel, and 2 ones are and 2s are. So now height, twice of height is equal to radius. So now we have got one small hint of how to solve it. Radius is equal to twice of the height. So now already they have given what's the total surface area. So now with this hint we will just continue doing. So now the CSA is equal to 1/3 of the total surface area. So that is nothing but 2 pi RH is equal to 1/3 of 462. Okay, it is 462. Now we will just simplify. When you simplify, here you will get 154. And already we know what is the value of radius here. So we will just substitute this as twice of h is equal to r. Yeah, r is equal to twice of h. So it will be 2 pi into r into height can be replaced as radius can be replaced as twice of h. Radius can be replaced as twice of h into h is equal to 154. So now when you see here, this will be equal to 2 into 2 4 pi h square is equal to 154, where h square is equal to 154 divided by 4 pi. So now I'll just continue here so that it will be clear for you, so that it will be easy for you to see. So now h square is equal to 154 by 4 pi. Now we will just simplify this. When you want to simplify here, these both are divisible by 2. So it is 2 2s are, and here 7 and 7. 77s are. So now 77 and 22 you can simplify, where it will be equal to 7 and 2 So it will be 7 into 7, that is equal to 49 by 4. H square is equal to 49 by 4. So remove the square root and put it on the other side, which will be equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is nothing but 3.5. So the height of this cylinder is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So this is how you have to solve it, children. First you have to equate the total surface area and the curved surface area with whatever ratio they have given. Then once if that is given, you are going to find out the radius using the formulae. Then after that, substitute the value of radius in the curved surface area. H you have to replace here. Okay, radius should be replaced here with 2h. Only then you will get. Okay, see, suppose if you are taking 1 by 3 into 462, if you do directly, here you will have two unknown values. You will not know the radius as well as you will not know the height. So only this part if you know, you will not be able to find. And this is how you have to find, children. And this will be a 3 marker or 4 mark question. So you can write down. Okay, children. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye, children.